In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an accounts payable aging report in QuickBooks Online. This important task can help you keep track of what your business owes its vendors and suppliers, and it's easier than you might think. So let's dive in and go through each step together. First, be sure to click on Sign In to access your QuickBooks account. It sounds simple, but that's the key to getting started with any task in QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, the next step is to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. This ensures that you're navigating through the right platform, especially if you have access to multiple QuickBooks services. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. Make sure to type in your username and password correctly, then hit Continue. Being careful here is crucial, as accessing your financial data requires accurate login information to maintain security and confidentiality. Once logged in, navigate over to the Reports tab. You can find it in the main navigation menu, usually on the left side of your dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to a variety of reporting options that QuickBooks Online offers, providing insight into different financial aspects of your business. As the Reports tab opens up, locate the section titled What You Owe. This is your destination for information related to outstanding payables. By selecting this entry, you'll get access to several specific reports about your liabilities. Within the What You Owe section, you should see an option for Accounts Payable Aging Summary. Click on it to generate the report. This report is incredibly useful because it breaks down what you owe, organized by due date, so you know exactly what bills need immediate attention. It's a straightforward way to monitor and prioritize your business expenses, helping you manage cash flow efficiently. Once your Accounts Payable Aging Summary is displayed, take a moment to review the detail it provides. You'll see a list of your vendors and the amounts you owe, often categorized by how overdue each bill is. It's designed to offer clear visibility on whether you're meeting your payment obligations, and can also highlight any potential areas where you might improve payment processes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully generate an accounts payable aging report in QuickBooks Online, ensuring you stay on top of your financial commitments in an organized manner. This process is a great habit to make a part of your routine, helping your business maintain a healthy financial standing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.